My Shores here, and I'm bringing you guys back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing something that I've been waiting for a long time. Well, I ordered it Wednesday, and it's Monday, so they did a nice packaging. See, awesome. And we're gonna open it. Hopefully they didn't smash the product. See, look, it's all fine on this way, on the side.
Air bubbles.
Don't care about that. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna get that later. And then here it is, the new and improved Gold Doctor second sonic screwdriver.
Sweet.
This looks cool, alright? This looks big. So we cut open the tape at the top and it just pops open like that. So you can pull it open like that. This, you can see like the outside if you want that. There's this plastic thing around the thing so it won't get damaged. All you gotta do is
okay, pop it out. Yeah, they did well packaging. I mean, this is hard.
There we go. It feels nice so far. They did awesome. So look, as you can kind of see, when you press this up, it's green. You press it down, it's blue.
Oh, cool.
So it makes different sounds, low and high. And you can see the texture here. It's like square, and it's TARDIS blue, green, blue. And as you can see, they have like claws or grabbers there to hold it down, but it's like glued down or something, and that's a good texture of it. The bottom's small, but that's okay. And yeah, I can't believe that this thing came. So happy. This thing is big though compared to the other ones. So that's it. The Mind Shores happily signing out. Guys, we forgot to read the instructions, and there's more to it than just this. There's more to it. It's like the 11th Dr. Screwdriver. It's like and all the other ones, but this one also, if you tap this up 2 times like this, then it makes this cool sound. But if you push it down 2 times, but it's just spinning.
That is really cool.
So that's my favorite. Yeah, okay, so Mind Shores signing out.
Yeah,
just go ahead.
What?
Okay, now do it again.
What?
Okay, now,
Do
make
something.
the face. No, make the face and say what at the same time.
What?
Okay, now this time turn, like,
Oh, like what?
yeah, like that.
Ready?
Go.
What?
Okay, but don't go so fast.
What?